शब्द कैफे संवाद। नमस्ते, शब्द कैफे संवाद में आपका स्वागत है। हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं बहुत ही खास ब्रॉडकास्ट, क्योंकि आज हम आपको मिलवाने जा रहे हैं उस शख्सियत से जिन्होंने ये सिद्ध कर दिया है कि अगर कोई चाहे तो अपने शरीर और उम्र की सीमा से निकलकर अपनी आत्मा की अद्वितीय संभावनाओं के अनंत समुद्र में गोते लगा सकता है, और यही हर इंसान का अंतिम स्वप्न होता है। वैसे तो उनके बारे में जितना भी कहा जाए वो कम है।
तो आइए इनके बारे में कुछ और जानते हैं। ये 5 भाषाएं लिख, पढ़ और बोल सकते हैं, जिसमें तमिल, संस्कृत, कन्नड़, इंग्लिश, सिंधी शामिल है। इसके अलावा ये हिंदी भाषा भी बड़ी आसानी से समझ सकते हैं। इनकी रुचि माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में है। इन्होंने वैदिक माइक्रोबायोलॉजी से पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन और डिप्लोमा किया है। 2016 के इंडियन नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नेशनैलिटी इन संस्कृत लिटरेचर की सभा में कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ नेशनैलिटी इन रामायणा में इन्होंने अपनी रिसर्च भी सबमिट की। ये महर्षि वर्चुअल वैदिक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुजरात में श्रीमद् भागवत गीता के आचार्य हैं। समय न्यूज़ और ईटीवी में सरल जीवन और अभिज्ञ साधना जैसे प्रोग्राम में फीचर हो चुके हैं। दक्षिण भारत की सिंधी फाउंडेशन में शाइनिंग स्टार ऑफ यूथ के खिताब से भी नवाजे जा चुके हैं। मंजूश्री एंटरप्राइजेस ऑफ आर्ट के द्वारा श्लोक प्रवीण का अवार्ड भी इन्हें मिल चुका है।
स्पंदना ट्रस्ट द्वारा स्पंदना श्री का अवार्ड मिल चुका है। हैदराबाद के जाने माने सिंगर और म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर श्री गंगाधर शास्त्री से सम्मानित हो चुके हैं। फ्रॉडलेंट बैंकिंग सिस्टम, पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में जहरीले तत्व, आजकल के समय में हो रही समस्याओं का भगवत गीता के 16वें अध्याय से संबंध, भारत की शान, हमारे करंट स्कूलिंग सिस्टम के दोष, आयुर्वेद की महानता, इंसान के स्वास्थ्य का दबावों से विनाश, जंक फूड के खतरों पर कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री CII, लार्सन एंड टर्बो LNT, मैसूरू, विवेकानंद लीडरशिप एंड डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट वी लीड, कैनीज टेक्नोलॉजी, बिरला प्रियमवद भवंस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, GSSS कॉलेज, विजय विठला कॉलेज, डियर पॉल कॉलेज, चैत्र कॉलेज जैसे 80 से ज्यादा कॉरपोरेशन, संस्थाओं, बिजनेस स्कूल, डिग्री स्कूल्स, हाई स्कूल्स में व्याख्यान दे चुके हैं।
मैसूर में एक आयुर्वेद के डॉक्टर से अष्टांग हृदयम सीख रहे हैं। कबड्डी, शतरंज, पेड़ों पे चढ़ना, संस्कृत पढ़ना और कार्टून बनाना इनके शौकों में शुमार है। मृदंग और कर्नाटक संगीत में इन्हें आनंद आता है और सीखते भी हैं। खुद के श्लोक बनाते हैं
और भगवान गणपति पर खुद 32 श्लोक भी बना चुके हैं। संस्कृत भाषा में ड्रामा भी लिखते हैं। वास्तुशास्त्र में बैचलर्स कर रहे हैं। ज्योतिष रत्न की शिक्षा ग्रहण कर रहे हैं। अपने प्रोग्राम स्वस्थ शरीर के अंतर्गत जंक फूड से शरीर को होने वाले खतरों के बारे में स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस में लेक्चर दे चुके हैं।
रिफाइंड तेल, शक्कर, पैकेट का दूध, जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स के बारे में विस्तार से व्याख्यान दे चुके हैं। टीवी में वे पब्लिक हीरो के तौर पर फीचर्ड किए गए थे। एड स्टॉमर्स के नाम से 10 किताबें लिखी हैं, जिसमें सारे खतरनाक और जहरीले पदार्थों को कैरिकेचर स्केच के माध्यम से जानकारी दी है,
जो उन्होंने खुद ही बनाए हैं।
और सबसे मज़े की बात यह है कि वो केवल 11 साल के हैं। तो आइए बात करते 11 साल के अभिज्ञ सुब्रमण्यम से।
बता सकते हैं आप कि आपके बारे में?
First, I was born in Bangalore, and after that, on account of my father's job, I had to go to Canada, Finland, Germany, and then Australia, and then I'm now back in India.
Okay, and then in Australia, आपने जो है वहाँ पर कोई स्कूल ज्वाइन किया था?
Yes.
एलिमेंट्री स्कूल।
Yeah.
वो क्या हुआ वहाँ पे? क्या हुआ आपको?
It was crazy, the school. Like, they are teaching 2 + 3 = 5, and they make us bring stones and some flowers and make us say 2 stones, 2 flowers. Add it, that becomes 4. That they'll make us do 100 times with different objects. That makes the child so much bored. And once they asked me 6 + 3. And I didn't say 9, I told some other number. I did multiplication, division, and I finally brought up some other number. And then they were saying that you are not attentive, you are saying some crazy number from somewhere, and all of that. And then they were complaining to my mother and everything. And then my mother asked me why did I answer that way. And then I told her how I did. And like that it used to happen. And the school used to not allow me to learn multiplication, division when I'm able to do it. All children were like that there. They wanted to learn something new, but they were all forced to learn the Western ways.
Okay. So you thought कि in that sense आपकी जो एज थी उस समय, आप जितना आपका माइंड जितना एक्टिव था, उस आधार पे आप मतलब आप और आपके जैसे और स्टूडेंट्स जो आपके फ्रेंड्स रहे होंगे,
Yeah, of course, every single child is like that.
they were also facing suffering with the same problem, right?
Yes, yes.
You think so? Or it was only you who was suffering like that?
No, all children were having the same problem. They were getting bored. They were getting distracted. They were seeing outside of the window, and then they get scolded again.
ओके फाइन. सो अभिज्ञा, आफ्टर दैट आपने फिर स्कूलिंग अपनी ऑफिशियली स्कूलिंग छोड़ दी, इज इट?
Like
लाइक आपने कहीं बाहर जाके स्कूलिंग करना ऐसा डिसीजन लिया कि अब वो ऐसा नहीं करना है क्योंकि
yes,
वहाँ पे
yeah, I didn't want to do all of that official schooling, which means that daily going to school and sitting there on the bench and then working out what they give, the boring homeworks. But I still go to a government school twice in a week.
ट्वाइस इन अ वीक. एंड इन गवर्नमेंट स्कूल व्हाट यू एग्जैक्टली डू? लाइक कोई क्लास परस्यू कर रहे हैं या कोई ऐसे ही बस लाइक कोई स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए जाते हैं? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दैट?
There I just go for I'm going to a school because in India it's really you have to go to a school and like these education CRPs and all of that. That's why I go to school, and for that I carry some special subjects like Vastu, astrology and everything, and I go. But
you carry the subject in a government school, the Vastu subject you are carrying in government school, is it?
yes, and
So they are having
they don't mind. Just 2 days a week.
Just to
They don't mind, and they are okay with it, and they teach their subjects to those children, and then I just sit and my books.
सो अभी आपके हिसाब से जब कोई व्यक्ति, जैसे हम लोग स्कूलिंग करते थे समझिए, तो कोई स्टूडेंट्स जब जैसे आप जैसे सफ़र किए हैं वैसे अगर कोई सफ़र करता है तो उसके ब्रेन पे क्या असर पड़ता है आपके हिसाब से? उसके थॉट प्रोसेस पे क्या असर पड़ता है?
Okay, any child will get bored. All children, whichever child, all children are actually intelligent. There's nothing that it's like only this child will get something special. So when it's the duty of parents and teachers to manage each child according to their intelligence.
So, Abhigya, who exactly decided that you will leave that school in Australia and you will come back to India? You decided or your parents?
First, I told my parents what I'm going through, whether it's bad for me or good for me. Then they took the decision saying that if it is bad for somebody, if it is bad for our children, then of course we have to take this action on it, and then they.
So basically you are going through a torture which you don't want to go with, right?
Yes, and every child should not go through that.
And
The
how
modern
are you
education-
feeling after so many years? How are you feeling right now? How are you feeling right now in the way you are educating yourself by different means?
Wonderful.
How are you feeling
So,
right
in
now?
your last few days of your school in Australia, what exactly was the mood in the school and the mood around you and your parents?
It was like if I come out of the school, I have to wear the hat. If I don't wear the hat, I have to go to the principal room. So that kind of things like that, and they won't allow me to. If I want to go to the toilet, they won't allow that. Also, nothing they will allow.
That is kind of a stereotype.
Yeah, it is like that.
Okay.
So when you left that school, so after coming to India, where did you exactly started? What
I
you
mean,
did
after coming to India, I actually stopped the schooling system completely and was sitting home and doing Bhagavad Gita, playing, do whatever I like. And after that, we found a school which was very like flexible. Like we can go only once a week. We may go once 2 weeks, 2 days in 1 week, anything we like. So they were very flexible. They were not like you have to come. So then we thought, okay, then that's a good idea, because then the officials there would be very angry if any child is not being schooled. So then I had to go to the school, and then but there it was very nice. Those children are also very good, and they are allowed to just move up whichever way they like. Half of them know how.
But you know, Abhigya, what kind of school did you went in there where they teach you Bhagavad Gita, they let you allow to study Bhagavad Gita? Because in the normal schools where we all went in, we just study normal, curriculum and
Normal Charles Darwin kind of a thing, Newton
Yeah.
and all these things. So
What school was that?
Okay. There was actually I've not learned Bhagavad Gita from school.
Okay.
Not did any school teach me to learn Bhagavad Gita.
Okay, home schooling kind of thing.
सो अभिज्ञ एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है मेरे को मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ मैं समझा पाऊँगा, मतलब क्वेश्चन समझा पाऊँगा कि आप जब स्कूलिंग कर रहे थे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट कहीं पे भी कर रहे हो, आप जब स्कूलिंग कर रहे थे और तो आपको जो पढ़ाया जाता था, राइट, और आपने होम स्कूल में लाइक हो घर में अपने भगवद गीता पढ़ी या ऑन, तो आपको क्या लगा इन दोनों जो सिलेबस होते हैं, लाइक इन ये दो तरह की जो एजुकेशंस हैं, इसमें भगवद गीता वाली एजुकेशन क्या कम्पिटिटिव है इन टाइप के एजुकेशन के, कितनी बेटर है या क्या उतनी लेवल पे नहीं है अप टू दैट मार्क, क्या आपको क्या लगता है?
Okay, so Bhagavad Gita is basically just for the mind to be exercised. Every single person must study Bhagavad Gita in the morning. But if they are of other religions, they have to study their own book. So that's one of the Moola Bhuta Kartavya of every single person. Every single person must do their own religious scriptures. They must study the religious scriptures. So that was one thing I did, but I didn't just leave all the other subjects like that. And I was doing the other subjects also, and I used to study math, science, biology. It's not that they are not needed; they are extremely needed in life. Yes.
But the way it is being taught in the school is not good. It's a
Yes.
torture.
Yeah, it's like a torture. It's too much of work, burden on the child. They keep giving tests every single week in private schools. At least in government schools, it's only semester and yearly.
So
But now they have made it.
Suppose a child like you, like in your age, want to study these subjects, which personally I am also interested in, like in maths and physics and all these things. So what is the best way to learn all these subjects?
Actually, learn with nature. That's one thing I would like to say, because learning with nature is a thing that, like a leaf. When you see a leaf, you may see many other things on it, like insect or some liquid coming out of it. So, researching on the liquid. Okay, if it's physics, so if it's physics, then we can see like force. Why does when you push something, why does it fall? All those laws and everything. But surely, book reading is also needed, and it must not be given like a heavy homework and tests every single week for children, assessments, this, that. They have to keep reading. But even if you have such a schooling system, let there be at least secure 1 or 2 hours of playtime. That means playing or free time for the children. That's when they can express their thoughts, they can imagine what they want and all of that. So the time
And
to
they can use the word as a playground, as their playground, as the experimental ground where they can use the applications what they teach, what they learn in the school, something like that, right?
yes.
Fine. So अभी what आपकी hobby क्या है, आप बता सकते हैं?
Okay, well, I love to write plays in Sanskrit,
Wow.
and also I like to write poems in Sanskrit and in English also. And I'm learning also, so I'll try to do something with that.
नहीं,
Also.
आपकी हिंदी काफी, आप समझ तो बहुत अच्छी लेते हैं. अच्छा, प्लेस संस्कृत में आप कह रहे हैं आप लिखते हैं, तो प्लेस किस तरह के प्लेस, मतलब एक एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं क्या, प्लेस का क्या सिनेरियो क्या होता है?
According to Mahabharata, like Arjuna talking with Krishna, like that place, like that with shlokas inside it, poems inside the place, mix.
Okay, so Abhigya, I wanted to ask you this question that you mentioned Bhagavad Gita book. Okay, so what do you think this Bhagavad Gita book is connected to Hindu religion, or it is not connected to this Hindu religion in a sense, but this is a whole universal?
Many people take it to be like only Hindu religion, only for the Hindus in this world and everything like that, but it's related to the people all over the universe. It's a handy book for everybody because there is no religious sentiment hurt in this. Whatever is told in this is there in every other single religion. It's like they say that treat every single entity equally. Samabhuteshu, like that is one shloka. So
सर्वे
every
भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया kind of philosophy.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Yeah.
So that means they have one like equality, all of that. So that's there in every single religion. No religion says that you are down, I am up.
But
What
you
is
know,
the
there are
Bhagavad-
some entities in India, there are some organizations in India who think that Bhagavad Gita is their property. So, but why does that happen?
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita is universal. It's not only for one entity or one person or anything like that.
Okay.
And you also mentioned that every child or every human at least must read half a what the sense I get is must read a half a page every day. So why is that? I mean, why we should read Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, Bhagavad Gita is a thing like Mahatma Gandhi used to read and Ralph Waldo Emerson. It's a thing which bathes your mind, your intellect, your mind, everything. If a person is a Muslim, read Quran. That's very important for every single person. If a person is a Christian, read the Holy Bible. It's like that. So every single text has its own meanings. It's not that because
all books have different ideologies, but they leads to the same conclusion, right?
yeah, and there's not the percentage of different ideology is very less. The percentage of same ideology of religion is actually more. We're just fighting on scuffles like I wear this way, you wear this way, or I wear this way, I don't wear anything, I wear a topi,
So,
or I put a
why we all are fighting then? If all religious books are saying the same things, and then why we are fighting all?
Okay, you may know Satan. That
Yeah,
just
yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So he's the one who
Lucifer.
creates these
Yeah,
fights.
right, Lucifer.
Yes. He's that Lucifer they call in Christianity. They call Dajjal in
In
Islam.
Muslim,
yeah,
Jinn
and
and all these
in our shastras they call it Rakshas.
Rakshasa. Yeah.
So like that, in every single thing there is one thing called bad. So these bad people always try to bring scuffles like that. Before very very ancient times, there was nothing like this. Everybody used to not care about this like you are low or I'm high or anything. It's all come in recent. And how did it come in recent? It's because of this Lucifer kind of things.
So what do you think? What Lucifer is? It is an ideology, or it is some higher entity or higher power,
Interdimensional
from
entity kind of.
from another universe, from another dimension, something.
I feel it's present everywhere. We have to clean our society, our world from it, and it is like one thing which shows that it's not that it's not more powerful than Lord is. Satan's number is 6 and God's number is 7. So that means 7 is greater than 6. So God always wins over bad. That's why it's not such a great power. If we have faith on Lord, then the Lord will always help us. Whichever. It's all one. Some people call water. Some people call it gel, like that. There are so many names for water, but water is water only.
Element is the same, only names are the different, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So if God resides in our heart, then also it is also possible the Satan or the Lucifer may also reside in our heart, because those bad feelings and good feelings are all in our mind.
Yeah, when we get lust, anger, and greed in our head, that is when Lucifer will be able to enter. But when we have other qualities like humbleness, no arrogance, humility, not humble. Okay.
But what I was asking is, what is the driving force of these, tamas properties?
Yes.
What is the driving force?
Yeah, it is that we are trying to think there's no Lord and let's enjoy. We have this much life, so 100 years we have life.
But
let's
we can,
enjoy. Try
but
to
we
help
can-
somebody else.
But we can
That's
enjoy
why that-
by doing the good things also.
Hmm.
But why we are indulging into keep indulging into bad things or negative things?
Yeah, this is one thing which has been explained in every single Shastra, trying to revert us from this to that. But we have to understand internally that this life is 100 years. But after this, there's another life too. The soul moves forward and forward. So it's like that. That's why you must.
Only body is new, soul is always old,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
like clothes, changing the clothes.
it's changing the
Today I'll
clothes.
be wearing this one. Tomorrow I'll be wearing another
Another
cloth.
one. But
Like-
you will be
like-
same and you will be more experienced than before, right? From the day before you are. Okay. So अभिज्ञा, आपके हिसाब से ये जो सैटर्न आपने नाम लिया जिसका, उसके को फीड करने में हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम का क्या रोल है?
Okay, so it is like
है
it is
कि
a
नहीं है?
torture. Yeah, the same thing. There's a person called Lord Macaulay. He was the person who created this modern education.
system, right?
Yes, so he made our country like this. Education is Vidya. Vidya means it changes your mind. When you're born, you are not civilized. You behave somewhat, and we don't know what to do. When we are small children, we don't know what to do. So we behave uncivilized. Education is what makes us feel in the way we read. So they have changed every single textbook. There's no word of sin. There's nothing called sin in any media.
Okay.
Except alternate media, there's nothing called sin. The word sin is deleted from textbooks, nowhere. And they start teaching children to do bad things and all of this peer pressure. And also in the US already children are starting to smoke because their friends, their higher class friends and all are trying to smoke. So all of this is happening. So the same thing India is also copying. So when a village child sees a city child playing with a gun, he'll also think, oh, even I need a gun. So then gun shooting, this and that, violence, bad about Hindus in one book, bad about Muslims in one book, bad about Christians in one book. So it's like this. Otherwise, they will speak very bad about somebody and then create fights and everything. That's how the education system is. And then wearing suits.
एंड ये देन जो ये टीचर्स आपको कहते ये मत सोचो, वो मत सोचो, ऐसा मत करो, वैसा मत करो, वॉशरूम मत जाओ, खाना मत खाओ, खेलो मत, तो इससे एक ब्रेन में ब्लॉक्स क्रिएट होने लगते हैं जिससे कि एक डर बनने लगता है जो कि लाइफ में फर्दर हेल्प करता है कि कोई गलत चीज हो रही है तो हम उसके खिलाफ ना बोले, हम क्वेश्चन ना करें. Is it?
One more thing is that I had my own personal experience with a boy. In my karate class, I used to tell them, don't eat junk food, don't eat this, don't see Disney movies, don't play video games. And all that I used to tell them. Then they went and told in their school also to their classmates. The teacher took them to the principal. Principal scolded them.
Where he has a responsibility to teach the students so that they can make a better future for the country, something like that. And they are doing this kind of a thing, so this totally unacceptable and totally. And why you think parents are so sleepy about these kind of a thing? Are they also in the same mindset which that principal is having? What is going on?
So parents nowadays, they are kind of very lazy. That's what they are sleepy against everything which is happening. They send their children to school and aramsi they will sit on their seat and just sleep off, or they'll sit on social media. They'll go to Facebook, this, that, Twitter, Gmail, everything. They'll start playing around with different accounts. That's what they do the full day. Otherwise, serial, TV and everything. When the child comes back home, I'll put it in the microwave, go remove it and start eating. That's all is their work. They just sit. Other parents go to work. That's a different story. But the parents believe that the principal or the school or education system is completely refined. It's wonderful. The children will be able to learn new things from it. And syllabus is wonderful. The children will be able to scale heights in their life. And all of these misconceptions get inside their brain.
When they see that पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी वो खुद जब ये अचीव नहीं कर पाए तो how they can expect from their child to do this? I don't get it.
Yeah, like first the parents change, children will immediately see the parents and change. But there's another kind also. When the children's change, like I would like to give a small message to them, because when they change, the parents will automatically see them, because nowadays it's Kali Yuga, they say. So nowadays everything is opposite. Children do something and parents change.
Yeah.
Half of the society sees that.
ये बात बहुत अच्छी है, ये बात आप बहुत अच्छी जो आप कह रहे हैं बिल्कुल सही भी है. और दूसरी बात ये मुझे बताइए कि आप अपने एज के जो मतलब स्टूडेंट्स हैं या उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
And Abhigya, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay.
You are 11 years old. And what is your मैं आपसे ये नहीं पूछ सकता हूँ कि आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है, स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन आपको मतलब आपकी मॉम ने बताया था कि आपने काफ़ी कुछ रिहर्स किया हुआ है, काफ़ी कुछ आपने सीखा हुआ है. वो क्या क्या है आप बता सकते हैं?
Okay, I have done a post-graduation in Ayurveda microbiology. And BA I'm doing in Vastu Shastra, and also I'm in the second year of astrology. I finished my first year and got a Jyotisha Ratna certificate. And also in normal school education I'm 7th standard. And also along with that I am astrology, and then also I'm learning Mridangam and all of those other things.
Mridangam you are learning.
So you are not interested in physics and
Of course, those subjects are another group. I'm completely interested in this one, physics also, because that teaches us the law of motion
Fundamental
and
laws
everything.
of kind of universe.
And it's very curious to know that what is working behind all
Yeah,
this.
quantum science, all of that.
What's your view on quantum, by the way?
Huh?
What is your view on quantum, by the way?
You know, CERN.
What? It's a nice science. Like I have not yet gone into it deeply, or I have not even
Okay,
seen it. Like
I would
but I
like to
like
ask
that.
you this that when we look at our society, you know, the face of the society is defined by the education, but and as you said, the Lord Macaulay designed our education system. So what do you think, why did he design this kind of structure, education structure?
He was a very evil person. I would like to say that because he destroyed our ancient rich culture
But
of
people
sitting
say
and
that the Britishers colonized, teach us how to colonize.
yeah, they started burning gurukuls and everything, and
So
they
this,
would
this
teach
is
us.
this is how they started colonize India. They started burning gurukuls, and they say we are colonizing you. Is it?
Well, we are the only public which have not attacked any country since 1000 years.
Yeah.
Attacked or destroyed any
This is
country we have
our
not won.
this is our rich and royal history that we didn't ever attacked on anyone.
Even though we were that powerful.
Yeah, because we defended
We were a
ourselves.
country which had 64 different kinds of sciences to learn,
Hmm.
and also 64 for boys.
Hmm.
Right? 64 for girls also. There was nothing that girls used to not get any education.
Hmm.
We say that deliberately they did it.
Hmm.
So that we changed to their thing. And they called us the black pigs. So many bad words to us. They called us black pigs. They called us black men. And they called us so many names, like they called us uncivilized people, dogs.
And they came here by seeing how rich we are.
Yes, actually. And then they made us feel that we are poor and we have to follow them to become rich. Then they took away our gold. They started giving money for gold. Now where is gold? It's all with Queen Elizabeth
Hmm.
and the politicians. We all have no gold. For us, gold rules are very strict.
Even
Now-
all India's wealth is in Switzerland right now.
Yeah.
All is in a form of black money, and they, Switzerland is having the heaven in the kind of a wealth.
Yeah, heaven. Yeah.
सो अभी क्या एक बात बताइए कि जब हम लोग उठते हैं सुबह और हम लोग रात में सोते हैं, ठीक है, सुबह उठने से रात में सोने तक हम क्या क्या ऐसी चीजें करते हैं जो कि हम करते हैं जो कि हमारी लाइफ को डिटेरिएट करती है, हमारी थॉट प्रोसेस को डिटेरिएट करती है, हमें अवेकनिंग होने से रोकती है, अवेकन होने से रोकती है और
Okay,
हमको डम्बेस्ट ऑफ क्रीचर ऑफ द प्लेनेट बना के रखती है. व्हाट यू थिंक?
Okay, it is first morning. Let's come to the point that we are sleeping in the bed. We get up from the bed and we sit up. Bed coffee. Immediate. We put it inside. According to Ayurveda, this is completely wrong.
What do you put inside?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee,
Okay.
okay.
Coffee or tea.
Okay. Okay.
Coffee or tea, they are actually killing our body immediately. In the morning, our body has to clean.
Okay.
All पेट सफा करनी है. So after that, you must drink water. Instead of water, they drink tea. Tea is totally opposite to water. It destabilizes the body. It destroys the body completely.
Okay.
While water, it goes in and then brings all toxins out of the body and sends it out of the body. So then coffee makes us constipated. We can't even clean our body. Then what happens? We feel headaches, migraines in the morning, and stomach pain, all of that. The next thing we do is, instead of clearing the stomach, we sit and read newspaper. Newspaper destroys our thought process. Bad news, obscene news,
All bad
everything
news.
will come.
85% news are bad.
But you
Yes,
know what they say, that newspapers are the reality of the society. What do you say about that?
Yeah, the reality is happening something different. There's one thing
Somebody-
called bad and something is good. So the fight.
Somebody is portraying that reality purposely.
Somebody is projecting that reality on our like a torture again, and somebody is manufacturing that reality in a form of newspaper.
Yeah, what you were saying.
Yeah, so
Media is destroying the news, disturbing the news, distorting the news in different ways, and they
yes.
want us to think only little. Like,
Yeah.
think only this much. If you think more than this, then you'll know the truth. So they
So-
don't want you to think more than that.
so
So they are
we-
keeping you distracted.
So if we knew the truth, or if we know the truth, what that will change?
Yeah, the world will change. Truth is that one key which can change the complete world. But they are not allowing us to know that. They are making us blind with all of these things.
So when we
But
read
we have-
newspaper, after that, then you're telling me.
after the newspaper, then another thing is we just go to office. Before going to office, some snack or some cereal. The cereals, they contain BPA, BHA, and the milk that we mix with the cereals, it's A1 milk. A1 milk causes diabetes. That is why the whole of India has diabetes or cancer or this disorder, that disorder, health problems after health problems, especially the old people, because they have these habits. And after that, see TV. TV is another thing. TV makes us distracted. It's hypnotizing machine. Keeps giving subliminal messages and all of that, which makes us distracted, and we sit like fixed to the TV.
मतलब अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है देखने में, बट लगता है देखते रहो उठो मत वैसा फीलिंग आता रहता है पूरे टाइम.
Yes. So that you get totally drained. That bad information gets drained into your head, and then you have to believe it. It's a tell-lie vision. It's not television. It is tell-lie vision. It tells you lies.
Okay, tell lives and fine. Okay, then of TV and after that हम लोग ऑफिस जाते हैं. हम लोग का खान पान जो है, फूड, हम लोग का फूड ईटिंग हैबिट्स हैं.
Okay. Food is also dangerous.
जंक
It
फूड यूज
contains-
करते हैं मेजरली हम लोग, राइट?
Yeah.
या वो
Okay.
टेलिंग.
So after that we have food. That food is also dangerous, because nowadays people eat food with 5 evils. There are 5 evils. One is salt, refined sugar, refined oil, refined milk, refined jaggery.
रिफाइंड जैगरी.
Refined jaggery. That is white color jaggery.
या
Too white and then polished.
या
That is not
And
good
then-
for health. White jaggery is not good for health.
There are 2 kinds of jaggery. One is white jaggery, one is black jaggery.
Okay.
ZNS, it has hydroxy chemical. And next one is milk. Milk is of 2 types. A1 and A2. A1 is extremely bad, causes diabetes, arteriosclerosis, cancer, and sudden infant death syndrome. Some children just die immediately. So we know how do they die because of A1 milk.
So
And then
how
A2
you get to know that what is A1 and what is A2? How will get to know that what?
The cow which has a hump is A2, and it's
Okay.
good for health. Very, very good for health. It can cure thousands of diseases. And in Ayurveda, whenever milk is given, it means not Jersey cow milk. It means not
Desi cow.
Desi cow.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's how it is.
Okay. So जर्सी गाय का जो दूध होता है वो थोड़ा नुकसानदायक होता है आपके
पता नहीं,
साथ.
बहुत.
Yes,
बहुत ज्यादा.
it's completely dangerous. Children die. People get diabetes. It's poison. It's not even milk. When I used to have in Australia, I used to stammer, rashes, and infections. Everything used to come. It's very dangerous milk.
And buffalo milk, what is that? Buffalo milk, what is that?
Yeah, buffalo milk. Okay, it's at least better than this A1 cow milk. It's good for the strength. It doesn't give you mental health.
Okay.
It makes you depressed and
Okay.
not knowing what to do next.
But
That's
it
all.
is,
It manda buddhi, they say, no,
हाँ.
making the mind very slow.
वो जो हमारी पिनेल ग्लैंड है जो पीछे होती, पिनियल ग्लैंड होती है, उसको कम वीक कर देता है. हम लोग अवेकन नहीं हो पाते, राइट?
Huh. So today Ayurveda is nothing but Ayurvedic practitioners are nothing but cheaters. Not to any Ayurvedic practitioner. Practice Ayurveda at home. Be a doctor for yourself. Not any doctor. Nowadays doctors you cannot even trust them. They are untrustworthy. So you should not trust any doctor, whether there's allopathy or that's why this Ayurveda allopathy thing, we have to get proper with it. We have to first believe that Ayurveda is very good, because it there's a text called Ashtanga Hridayam, and this text has all about Ayurveda in it. Once we just read it, we'll know what to do minute by minute. Every single minute what we can do, we'll know. So that's one plus point about Ayurveda. And the 2 Ashtanga Hridayam. But when we go to these ones, these so-called Ayurvedic practitioners, they mix allopathy medicines, They mix naturopathy, whatever they like, they mix and say Ayurveda medicine. But how can we even believe them? Because half of them have aluminium in it, sodium, this one and all. They add only chemicals and artificial things. Nothing is proper. So make the medicines at home. If you have fever, make kada, they say, no? That one, cardamom and elaichi, all of that, whatever it is, add it and then make that one. Tulsi tea, ginger tea. If you just have a fever, it will immediately go down. And you want to get the coffee taste because many people are addicted to coffee. The alternative is this one, methi ka chai, they say, no? That
मेथी का
one.
मेथी का चाय
Chai.
मेथी का चाय अच्छा
Yeah, that-
ओके
So that one you can have if you are addicted to coffee, that much coffee you need. You can't live without coffee, then you should take that one.
मेथी का चाय राइट अच्छा
So the Ayurvedic therapy is very healthy to is very good for health, right? So are there any long term effects of the Ayurveda on human body?
Ayurveda is the only medicine which has no side effect.
ओके
So there are no long-term effects. But once you take an Ayurvedic medicine from outside, then you can have serious problems. That is, you'll have to go to that person again. You'll get autoimmune disease. That means you have to your body will attack the body.
ओके ओके ओके
That's why Ayurveda is again of two types nowadays. One is this outside Ayurveda. They make the medicines, they pack it in plastic covers, add preservatives, everything in it. And the other one is making it at home. You know what you are adding in it. It's better not to give food rights to somebody else.
and we can get the pure quality itself, we can maintain that,
Yes.
right?
So they are selling it for money. So if they lose one bottle, if one bottle is faulty piece, they will not throw it. It's worth 50 rupees for them, 60 rupees for them. So they won't throw it. They'll keep it. They'll sell it. But when we make some medicine, we'll say, oh, it's bad. No, I can't use it. So you'll throw it and make a new medicine. So then you know what you're doing. You're making it safe for yourself.
What are the texts which you think can normal person read if he or she want to know about Ayurveda so that he can use it in home or something?
Yes.
What
You
are
can
the
have the English translation of Ashtanga Hridaya.
Okay.
And Charaka Samhita is also very good, but it's
Charak
this
Samhita.
is text. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Charaka Samhita. And also Shushruta Samhita. Shushruta Samhita is not only health but also surgery.
Okay.
Shushruta was the first aseptic surgeon. He was the first person who invented aseptic surgery.
Okay.
It's not these foreigners.
So
He
you
only
think
has given
that-
complete explanation. Plastic surgery, how to remove the nose and put a new nose. Which detect
इवन एक घटना है कि जब अंग्रेज जब यहाँ पर सर्वे करने आए थे, एक की नाक काट दी थी किसी ने, तो उसने जुड़वाई थी जा करके किसी से, एंड उसने लेप लगा के ही डिड दैट थिंग, राइट? यू नो, यू हर्ड अबाउट दैट?
Yeah, I heard about it.
सो ओके फाइन. सो यू थिंक कि जो ये टेक्स्ट आप बता रहे हैं, अष्टांग हृदय या सुश्रुत संहिता या चरक संहिता, अभी जैसे कोई नॉर्मल पर्सन उसको पढ़ता है, डू यू थिंक दैट ही कैन प्रैक्टिस इट इन सम वे?
It's
It's a
extremely
practical
easy.
knowledge.
Each shloka is not that huge meaning and all. One shloka means hita hitam sukham dukham ayus tasya hita hitam manam cha tatcha yatroktam ayurvedasya uchite. If you see the translation, it means Ayurveda is the work which gives you everything about whatever hita ahit. Hit ahit. Whatever is good for your body, whatever is bad for your body. So one shloka says that what is the main purpose of eating food? So that is to make our prana, our breath in the body clean, and also our breathing. Prana we say, no, the 8 pranas and all of that.
जी, जी.
So that one, to make it clean in our body, health easily comes when we do that.
Okay, okay.
That's why food is eaten.
अच्छा,
And then what to do, like drinking water. When should you drink water? All the simple things can be easily
applied and it's easily used for the daily purpose and daily also.
just some tips are that how to drink water is don't stand and drink. Sit down and drink water.
sit down and drink.
When you're drinking from tamra is the best thing to drink water from.
Yes.
Or gold is even better, silver is less better, and tamra is also very good. So tamra, you will, because most people can't afford gold.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
they
obviously.
have to sit down and take tamra on a mat. On a mat they have to sit, take tamra vessel and drink in that. It purifies water in 4 hours. It's a scientific test. And then the next one is that when to drink water. When to drink water is 1 hour before food or 1 hour after food. If you drink water immediately after food or immediately before food or while you're eating food, then what happens is whatever digestion is going in the body will just like pravaha, we say no, pravaha come and destroy all the things.
मतलब जैसे
There is
आग
wa-
में पानी डाल देते हैं तो आग बुझ जाती है, ऐसा समझो.
And then ice cream, eating ice cream,
हाँ.
very cold things after food. Then what happens? The Jatharagni, say that one will get
right.
Yeah.
will just
The
become
fire
smart.
in the stomach which burns all these food and process all these food. This is the card. Right.
अगला क्वेश्चन.
अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, मान लीजिए हमें जंक फूड खाना अच्छा लगता है, समझिए, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? जैसे आपने कहा कि अगर चाय पीने का मन करता है या कॉफ़ी पीने का मन करता है तो मेथी की चाय पी लो, इट्स गुड. सो हाउ आई कैन यूज द अल्टरनेटिव्स टू टू रिमूव द एडिक्शन ऑफ द जंक फूड? व्हाट यू थिंक?
Okay, how the alternatives for junk food is you want to eat they say chakli or fried stuff, bonda, bhaji, whatever you want to eat, make it at home and eat. It's
Okay.
easy to make
So
anything
you
at
are
home.
saying even if you want to eat junk food, make it in home, then eat.
Make it home.
Fry
And when
the
you make it at home,
potato.
it's not junk food. When you make it at home,
Huh.
how much of wheat you had,
Hmm.
how much of sugar you put, it's not junk food. But you must put not the 5 evils: salt, sugar, oil, milk, and jaggery. This one must be correct.
But rock salt can be used, right?
Yes. And for sugar, not refined sugar, misri they say, no, that one.
But sulfurless sugar can be used.
Huh?
Sulfurless sugar can be used.
Sulfurless, that's not the problem of sugar. It's always refined. Whatever sugar you take, that block sugar is always refined. So sulfurless is also not good. What I suggest is that next thing which is best is misri or palm fruit sugar. Palm fruit, do you know?
मतलब वो आपका
नारियल.
गन्ना नहीं, I don't know. Yeah.
Yes, palm fruit is there. It is available in South India.
Okay.
From that they make sugar. That is also very pure.
नारियल की बात तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, नारियल की शक्कर तो नहीं होती है.
Nariyal, nahi.
नहीं.
Palm.
Palm.
Palm is another one.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So आप ये कह रहे हैं कि जो भी जंक फूड खाना है तो घर में बना के खाओ. That is good, right? वो फिर धीरे धीरे आदत बन. अच्छा,
Okay, we can move to the
Next question.
Next question.
कि जो हम भारत है, हम लोग का है इंडिया, हम लोग अभी देख रहे हैं कि ट्रेंड देखते हैं कि काफ़ी लोग इंडिया के जो हैं वो अपने को कॉपी करते रहते. जैसे आपने कहा विदेशों में कॉपी करते रहते हैं कि हम यूएस जैसे बन जाएं, हम ब्रिटिश जैसे बन जाएं. बट भारत, उनको क्या रीज़न, उनके के लिए क्या रीज़न है कि वो अपने देश को ज़्यादा वो मतलब प्रिफर कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ
Okay. Why India appreciates US and why US appreciates India?
नहीं ये नहीं जानना है मेरे को जानना. सपोज करिए मैं हूँ तो मेरी एजुकेशन सिस्टम ये कहती है कि यूएस चले जाओ, बहुत अच्छा होता है.
यू आर राइट, यू वर सेइंग राइट दैट कि यूएस वाले जो लोग हैं अब हम लोग को कॉपी कर रहे हैं और हम लोग जो है यूएस वालों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं.
तो इंडिया जो यूएस वालों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं हम लोग, उनको अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें कि तुम ऐसा करो, तुम इसलिए भारत को फॉलो करो, इसलिए इंडियन रहो, तो उसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
So the history of this, why India and US are becoming friends, is because of the central bank in India. So people are becoming crazed because of the central bank. Why is the central bank so important? Why are wars happening throughout the world? Why did the World War I happen, World War II happen? It's all because of central bank. Sudan, Libya, Iraq. Why did US attack Iraq? That's one question that everybody had in mind. They said that it was because of those weapons or something. Saddam Hussein was killed because of he is holding some weapons. It is a false news. But what was the real thing?
Oil.
Saddam Hussein was saying that central bank I don't want. That's why the US killed him. Because central bank is the one which is Dajjal. He can control every single thing. Once central bank is put, economy will completely be controlled. When economy is controlled, God will come in control of the evil people. That's why they did it. And now India has accepted the central bank many years back. So that's why India and US relation is always happening. And now they are saying World War III will happen and India will be with the US. So now what I would like to say to these people who follow the US is, they feel that India has no good thing in it. India is without any single thing that is supposed to be.
अंग्रेज हम लोग के बारे में कहते थे कि तुम लोग ब्लैक डॉग हो एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तो वो भी ऐसे ही कहीं ना कहीं सोचते हैं, इसीलिए फॉलो नहीं करना चाहते हैं, शर्म आती है उनको.
Yeah, that's what we feel, that we are so bad, we have to turn into their kind so that they'll appreciate us. It's like once a person who is master, if he says, okay, now I'm not going to follow you, then the master will say bad things about him everywhere. Then, but when he says, okay, I'll be good with you, then it's just like that, this politician thing. That's all. So we have to learn one thing, that India has invented thousands of things. Nothing nowadays is of the foreigners. Chemistry, physics, biology, whatever it is, it was not any foreigner's invention. It was our Indian invention.
या बिकॉज वो तमस की तरफ ज्यादा टेंड रहते हैं, हम लोग स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ ज्यादा टेंड रहते हैं.
Yes.
इसीलिए हम
They
लोग
feel there's no God. Half of them say there's no God. They have brought that, and that atheism.
what do you
Bhagwan
think
nahi
about
hai.
atheism, by the way? I don't get the point. What is the atheism? I don't get the point. What do you think about the atheism?
Atheism is a thing which makes you believe that there's no God. Now, when a godless society, when a person does not believe, like there's a machine, this computer is there, but I am operating this computer, or my mother is operating this computer, that means it's an operator. And same for this world, there's an operator. Now, Bhaiya, you are operating the computer. This computer is not only going and then searching for Anand Ramasubramanian and going and fixing this one, everything, and then on in Skype. We are the ones who are sitting and operating this
We
computer.
are the operator. This is the medium.
But at least don't you think that when you are an atheist, it gives you a reason to keep searching for new things, or keep searching for the answers?
It engages you in all the modes of nature, and you keep changing. Anger, greed, all of those qualities keep inside your brain, and then you don't know who to take help from. No, when there's nobody to help you, there should be somebody, somebody who has created this world. Why are we all sitting and talking here? Why are we, what is the logic behind this? Why are we sitting? Why are we switching on things? And why are we living, first of all? That question, when it comes to our mind, we realize that there's some force who wants us to live like this. When there's no faith, there is nothing that you can do in the world. First, when faith comes inside a person for the Lord, it's not like there are some these rules that you have to give this flower only to the Lord, you have to serve the Lord in this way. That's what makes people mind change. Oh, what is this kind of a philosophy, all of this? Why do I have to even be a person who
But how
believes?
do you define a Lord?
God is a superpower, basically. He's more than anybody else in the world, and he showers mercy on us and everything. Whatever we get in this life is because of him. But once we leave faith on him, that is when the problem starts. And that is when we go. There are only two kinds of men. One is the wise and the ignorant. So the ignorant are controlled by Satan, and the wise by God. So when a person is in between, you have to go. There are two sheds here, and here rain and thunder is falling. So you have to go to one shed. If you go to the other shed, that shed is going to collapse. That is Satan's shed. And this is the Lord's shed. When you go there, you are safe from everything in the world. So the Lord is really there.
You can make sure that I am making a intelligent
Even
decision.
an experiment. How can mathematics prove that Lord?
How can mathematics?
Prove that the Lord is there.
Yeah. So what
I
do
do
you
not
think?
think mathematics can yet prove it, but I think when the quantum science will be introduced, I think then we can at least look into that direction.
Mathematics can prove it.
Can
Mathematics and English mix. So
I
now
think
let's keep.
Vedic mathematics can prove it. I don't know.
How mathematics can prove it? Can you tell me?
Okay, yeah. They say that 101%. How will you get in life? How to get 101%? That means more than ultimate. How to get in life? What is the key success that gives you? Okay, fine. Let's keep A, B, C, D for every single alphabet. Let's keep it for all the 24 alphabets, and now let's keep lots of work. And we keep LOTSOF, then we get 96% when we add all the numbers. Then when we keep hard work, and then the next one is when we say love of God. You add LOVE, all of that, and then you come to a thing, it gives you 101%. That means love of God can give you 100% in life. So there's a video of that. So God is always there. There has to be a person who controls this universe. It's of course a sure thing. There has to be somebody who controls this universe. There has to be a person who has given a purpose for this universe. Why are we enjoying? Why are we living? And why are we civilized? That civilization, that kind of a thing in every human is given by the Lord. That was a purpose.
अदरवाइज सच में हम लोग कॉलोनाइज नहीं होते अगर ऊपर वाला हम लोग को सिविलाइजेशन की समझ ना देता, संस्कार ना देता, तो शायद हम लोग इतने सिविलाइज्ड फॉर्म में जो है वो इतने सारे लोग एक साथ एक ग्रुप में रह ही नहीं सकते शायद. राइट. अच्छा अभिज्ञा, आप एक बात बताइए, आप ये जो आपके एज के जो स्टूडेंट बच्चे हैं, राइट, आप उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहते हैं? उनको क्या करना चाहिए एट दिस पॉइंट?
Who are stuck in this system.
हाँ, yes.
In all these systems or only the education system?
Only education system.
Okay, the people who are stuck in the education system from the school. Education system is controlled by schools.
But how they will convince their parents? What do you think?
First, they have to know what's the problem going on in the education system. They have to ask their children. They should not be stuck to the TV, serial, Facebook, Twitter, Google, whatever it is. Sit and ask your child, have you done at school? Was it nice? The school? Half of the children don't even reveal. They have to tell to their parents what was their experience in the school. Sometimes the teachers are very rude. Half of them are extremely bad to the children. So that mental depression is there in every single child. So when the parents sit and talk to them about it, that is when the children will actually reveal the truth about what's happening in the school. In the same way, I told my parents that they are giving extreme boredom. They're speaking bad words to the children, and they are saying, "I'll pluck your eyes out. I'll do this. I'll do that." So many mental torture, physical torture, whatever they do, it's dangerous for the child.
It's abuse actually.
But you know what, अभिज्ञ कि हर पेरेंट्स ना इतने ज़्यादा अवेयर नहीं होते और इतने ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं होते हैं कि वो आपकी चॉइस को प्रेफरेंस में रख सकें.
वो कहते हैं आई एम इंटेलिजेंट, आई एम एक्सपीरियंस्ड, हु यू आर, you are just born and you told me what to do, you know, like what they say majorly.
Yeah, so, that is the way a person will not be able to know the truth.
So what do you think? चलो स्टूडेंट्स तो ये कर सकते हैं, रिबल कर सकते हैं, राइट. अच्छा, पेरेंट्स क्या कर सकते हैं? पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहिए आपको? पेरेंट्स जो नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं बच्चों की बातें, उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
They have to change their way of living. Then only they can come.
As a child, what you want to say?
Junk food is the one which comes inside the brain, destroys the brain, makes a person dumb. What you eat, ahara shuddhe satshuddhe. Whatever you eat chooses the life path.
Okay, whatever you eat
chooses
the life path.
Junk food is very important in this.
Okay.
They know that what is wrong? What have you eaten today morning? They say. Have you not eaten today morning? I have not got energy. Like that they say. And junk food is always separated from other food. It's not called food. If you ate one burger, it's not that you've eaten your food.
But I am asking, when children is rebelling somehow from the education system, and he's telling their parents or she is telling their parents that this is going on with me, I don't want to pursue with that.
Yeah, what would you like to say to the parents? Only to the parents.
Once the child says something about their feeling of what is happening, then of course they'll have to.
And what parents can do with their children, like your mother father decided to homeschool you, right? And उन्होंने क्या किया, आपकी जो इंटरेस्ट की चीज़ें थी उसमें आपके लिए साधन जुटाए जिससे कि आपको उससे रिलेटेड टूल्स मिले, राइट? तो पेरेंट्स, आप उन पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जैसे आपके पेरेंट्स ने ऐसा किया तो आपके पेरेंट्स अवेयर थे, उन्होंने किया, आपको कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ा. बट आप उन पेरेंट्स के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट?
College conspiracy, one documentary which reveals the truth completely about what's happening in modern life.
College conspiracy. Okay, fine.
अच्छा अभिज्ञ, मैंने आपका एक टीवी इंटरव्यू देखा था, कोई साउथ का कोई था, मुझे लैंग्वेज वो इंग्लिश में बोल रहे थे केवल, तभी समझ में आ रहा था. तो उसमें उन्होंने आपसे पूछा कि आपका फ्यूचर में प्लान क्या है, आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो? तो यू सेड ओनली गॉड नोज. सो अगर आप अभी आपसे पूछूं कि अगले साल का या क्या प्लान है आपका, आप बता सकते हैं कुछ कि आपका नियर फ्यूचर में 1-2 साल में क्या प्लान है?
That's all God's grace, and only God can decide all of that. We can't, we can only make one small thing like what we want to be or something. But even that, if it doesn't come true, we should not become sad. So that's why we should always believe one thing, that whatever the Lord makes a path for us, that's the best thing.
Yeah, junk food के क्या नुकसान है? Yes, I think this was the question.
Okay, fine. So this is a book which tells you about junk food. What happens?
Which
Altered
book
genes
is this?
twisted truth.
Can you spell it?
Can you flash it once? First,
Altered.
This book will tell you about GMOs, what is really there in cereals, in eating cereals, and also in junk food, all junk food. So now I'll just give a small explanation of junk food. Junk food, any food, it is processed, packaged. Any food which is processed and packaged is called junk food.
Okay.
So that's the definition of junk food. Now there are some sections in this. One is the 3 ways of cooking. The 3 machines which destroy food. One is fridge, microwave, and also induction cooking. There's no fire. According to Ayurveda, any food which is cooked without fire is a bad food.
Okay.
Fire is a main ingredient in food. That means it is the one which is making food nice, and that is the one which gives ruchi. Ruchi is not only it's not about just taste. It is about the internal body, how it feels about the food. So that is
But
only achieved by fire.
it doesn't kill the healthy elements of the food. You are
and
saying.
why the microwave oven is not good?
Yeah, it actually destroys the micronutrients, and 99% of all of the good nutrients in it, anything maybe, it's all destroyed. And all the micronutrients, whatever it may be, like magnesium, everything that is there in food will be destroyed. Sodium, whatever it is. And then fridge is also the same. It destroys water molecules. It burns the water molecules. Water molecules is there in every food. Whatever food we eat, there's water in it. So if we try to make anything with water in the fridge, then the water molecules will get burnt, and you have risks of cancer and diabetes because of this.
So what can be used as alternative of fridge and microwave can be used? We can use fire directly. But
Yes.
what about fridge?
Yeah, for fridge, matka, you can't. And according to Ayurveda, nothing must be made too cold. It's very dangerous for the body. And then if you want to preserve, don't try to preserve anything. Just eat whatever you have cooked. Cook sufficiently for the day. Eat whatever you have cooked. Finish it. Don't keep hoarding for the day and then keeping it in the fridge. That makes the food even poisonous. However you preserve it or whatever you do, it becomes poisonous. So matka is the only thing you can do. If you want to eat ice cream at homemade,
But we
Connect-
cannot put the things in matka. We cannot put the vegetables in matka. We cannot put the fruits in
But you know,
matka.
Abhig, there is a company called Mati Cool,
yes, yes, yes.
right? You heard about
That is
that?
a good one. Even we are planning to
Yeah,
buy
yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
Okay. In fact, they also make a fridge out of
Yes.
mitti.
And they also make cooker out of mitti.
That's what we have some of the products there, but we are seeing whether the fridge also will be useful.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So you are going to get that, right?
Yeah,
When did you heard about this Matikul?
it comes every somebody told us. One person told us about this one.
Okay, fine. So
And then
Abhi-
the next one is like junk food is categorized in these 3 things, these 3 machines which destroyed, and then the 5 evils. That one I told: the salt, sugar, oil, milk, and jaggery. I explained all of them and alternatives also. So these 5 things, whichever junk food has all of this, is extremely bad for health.
even if it is a vegetable, also it will be a bad, right?
Yeah, whatever it is, even though it's nutritious, if it has this refined sugar, refined salt, refined oil and all of it, then it's really bad for your health. And also the next one is toxins like MSG and also aborted human baby fetuses. Every junk food has aborted human baby fetuses.
Do you
Maybe it is
really believe in it?
Yeah, if you want, you can start your company. I'm sure you won't do that, but you can start your junk food company. You can go online and then just check whichever tissue of the baby you want to buy, you can buy it online. It'll come and
And
get
how did they get all these tissues?
they simply lie to the parents and say, oh, your baby will get serious problems when it becomes big, or it will die immediately. Why do you want such a thing to happen? Let's abort it and then let's take the tissue. And after they take the tissue, they will use it for all of this bad purpose. They put it in food so that, especially Lay's chips, and they make this sign in it. Planned Parenthood, that one. Planned Parenthood is the company which makes this. That's the one which says, just abort your baby. The population is becoming too high.
You are talking about this Planned Parenthood, and the symbol You're talking about in USA or in India?
In India, in USA, but you can order the same tissues in India too. You can go online and go for Planned Parenthood. There you can get heart, liver, kidney, whatever you want, you can choose.
And where they use, by the way?
In Lay's, in all Pepsi products, in Coca-Cola, and in all Cadbury Adams products.
In India,
especially
in
the
India
top-
also.
In India also.
Everything, everywhere. India is the main country basically because we are. Each country eats too much of it. That one only extra they add in it. That particular country only they'll target more.
What about McDonald's and KFC?
That is another big story. That chickens eat cardboard. If
Chicken
you-
see cardboard.
Yeah, the chickens that they use for their food eat cardboard. They put pink slime in their food. Pink slime is a mashup of private organs of every single animal which is slaughtered. It's mashed up and put in your ice creams, in your McDonald's, KFC, everything.
And we
The-
think
the
that we
series
are
of the
eating
movie
veg.
as a kid.
And we think that we are eating veg. It's not even non-veg. It's a kind of inhuman.
I cannot even hear it, but people are eating it.
Yes, they're eating it because they're addicted. Because about human baby fetus, why do they add it? We may feel, oh, simply somebody is saying all of this in the net or something. Why do they even add it? What's the purpose? The purpose is that to make the person eat once and
And it is
just
also,
once again and once again.
and
Like
it
a
is-
tiger. Tiger will always, once it has human blood, just a little taste also, it'll go for human blood. It won't eat any other animal. It'll go for human blood. In the same way, once we eat Lays, one more. That's why they say, in
Since
one
how
bite
lo-
you can't
since
stop.
how long is going on?
I understand
Since how long it's going on, by the way?
this thing.
This thing, this tissue thing.
No, I also get a feeling that this is also kind of a cannibalism.
Yes, it's cannibalism. That's why they're making us everybody cannibals. They try to give us that, and then once we eat all of this, we will lose that holistic approach,
Divinity.
that spiritual approach of it.
Yeah.
That is when we lose it all. When we eat non-veg and all of that, that is when we lose what is really God. Everybody is doing bad.
Someone is doing because he is addicted, and someone is doing because he doesn't know about it. And even if he listen,
And somebody is a peer pressure. Like, my friend is doing it, why shouldn't I do it? My friend is teasing me that I don't do it, why shouldn't I do it?
like आपकी जैसे दीदी बता रही थी कि आपको किसी ने पूछा चैनल वाले ने कि जंक फूड हमको तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तुमको क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगता है?
Well, before, when I was 3 years old,
हाँ.
my mother used to give me a lot of junk food. She used to give me every single kind of junk food because her father-in-law and her parents, everybody used to force her to give me junk food. And then I started eating Maggi noodles, ketchups, every single junk food, biscuits, chocolates, whatever it is. I finally tasted everything, and then I started getting rashes, and also like I was stammering, not even able to talk a syllable also for a long time, and people used to not even hear this. Just go away. So that kind of things used to happen to me.
So do you think if people turn their beliefs into Ayurveda, so they will also live longer in their life?
Yes.
The lifespan will
Yeah, Vagbhat Maharshi had said every single human has a lifespan of 120 years that time when he was there.
It's a normal
Nowadays-
life being.
Huh?
It's a normal lifetime which Vagbhat is talking about.
The normal lifetime of every human at that time was 120 years. A person who lived 100 years was considered to be a waste of life. Nowadays, living till 50 is a great thing.
Great grace of God.
I touched 50 like that. It's become like that because people are dying at the age of nowadays in US it is all 13, 14, 15. That's all.
13,
Because of
14,
drug-
15 people die.
Yeah, because of drugs, because of eating too much junk food, half of them become too fat, and also they get vaccination. Vaccination is another dangerous thing. No child must be vaccinated.
Forced
It contains
vaccination
about-
actually. Forced vaccination.
Yeah, vaccination contains the most of aborted human baby fetus tissues.
Oh, so
Vaccine.
this is also a purpose of vaccination.
Yeah, that's why people get autoimmune disease because of it, and then they also get autism.
Autism, what it is?
What exactly is
Autism is a mental disease.
Okay.
Like you see people getting saliva and they behave like a 6-month-old baby.
Okay.
They don't know what to do. They don't know anything. They don't know about their own language. They can't speak. What they can do is just this. That's all.
And autism is different than ADHD and PD. What is that? PTSD?
ADHD is not such a serious disease, but it is a hyperactive disease. If that goes to a high level, then they can become homicidal or suicidal too.
Okay.
And because of oil, people become suicidal, homicidal, and so many other feelings come into people because of oil, the refined oil.
Okay.
And there are two
Because of
kinds
the
of
refined oil.
yeah. And if you get oil from Ghana, they say no.
Mm-hmm.
But a machine, an
Yes.
old kind of a machine. They do it like this and they bring it out, or it's a little systematic. That's all. That oil is extremely healthy for health.
Okay. So the vaccination you were talking about, vaccination and what was that? Water poisoning, I think.
Yes.
It is also-
Water is another thing which also contains
it
about
is also going on in India.
Huh?
It is also happening in India.
Every single thing is happening in India.
Every single thing.
Whatever is happening in the US now, they are trying to do in India. Modi did gold ban. Gold almost ban. No, like
Oh, yeah,
you have
right.
to pan number on if you show you'll get gold. No. Now how does farmer have pan number? If he has less than 10,000, he won't even have tax. If he doesn't have tax, how will he get pan number? If he doesn't have pan number, then how will he buy gold?
Hmm.
And if he can't buy gold, then how? The economic collapse when it happens. World War III when it happens, we all have to buy gold. Now, right now, if we buy gold, then we'll be safe in World War III. Otherwise, we all will be dead.
You think World War III is going to happen?
Yes.
It cannot be stopped.
It cannot be stopped. We have to. It's come to that extent because you may
But
see
you
the
know,
Russia
but
and
when you,
US fight daily.
Yeah,
It's
you know-
happening. Russian Prime Minister is scolding the US President, and this thing. And then Trump has come to victory. Trump is going to be a tyrant person. So all these things are slowly showing that the World War III will happen. There are some astrological evidences, like it keeps like all the bad things, bad dates keep flourishing nowadays. It keeps coming bad dates. So that's why
it's a confusing fight between good and bad, or what is exactly it is.
it is a fight between bad and bad is what I would like to say.
So and
Bad
both
and
will
bad.
kill
The
each-
two kinds of bad people. In
both-
bad
both-
also there's two.
both bad will kill each other. Only good will left. This will happen.
Bad and bad are killing each other. We good people are also getting killed in the same thing.
Okay.
So we have to get safe from all of this.
Hmm.
That we have to buy gold.
So we have to.
And now gold also has been almost restricted.
and-
So
And you also
Oh.
saw what the recent government is doing. Recently, what
this
government
government
is
is
doing.
it's doing surgical strikes. Modi is doing too many surgical strikes. The farmers will get just poverty will go. Poverty will come up, but poor people will just die.
Yeah, even the middle class people cannot survive it.
Even middle class people will be at the mother they'll be destroyed.
Destroyed.
Half of them will be destroyed.
Whole
Right.
business is being destroying actually.
अच्छा Abhigya, have we talked about this allopathy के बारे में आपके क्या विचार हैं? This question.
Okay, allopathy is see भैया allopathy आपको psychopath बनाएगा. That's all I would like to say. Because allopathy is one thing, like people who study allopathy are basically, they are crazy. One thing is that their books don't contain anything about nutrition. Nutrition is a main concept. Whatever we do in life, whatever we eat, nutrition is one thing that has to be just taken care of. But when we don't take care of nutrition properly, then there is no use of reading about cell, about biology, about this and that. First, we have to be perfect with nutrition. But in last year, there's only very little nutrition. About nutrition, only there's very little information. Only one chapter. Second year, there's no nutrition at all. Only about how to do surgery, this, that, and everything. So, I feel all of these things are really just a waste. These doctors, if you want to consult somebody, consult yourself. Do not go to anybody else. Just consult yourself and see the improvement you find.
So do you think that allopathy is totally a waste of money and waste of health and waste of energy, waste of life?
100%.
This is just a business, profitable business.
It's always a business, but only like one thing is it's a cycle. You go for headache,
Yeah.
headache due to it's just indigestion. Ayurveda says that just have some ginger tea and your headache will go. You go to the doctor. Normal people go to the doctor. They'll go and say, then you'll have that medicine. And then after that, what will happen is you'll feel very like stomach pain will happen. Then stomach pain, you'll go for that and they'll give you one more medicine. After that, and then you'll get more problems. You'll get joint pain. For joint pain, you'll take what is that? Antibiotic. Antibiotic. No, sorry.
Antibiotic, yes, it is.
Painkiller. And then when you take painkiller, you will get internal bleeding. When you get internal bleeding, again you'll go to the doctor. The doctor will again give you so many more medicines, and it will again come back to headache. Headache, again you will go like cycle. And after you get addicted to the cycle, you cannot ever leave the medicines. You'll be continuous in use of the medicines. Yeah, so it is about transgenders. Actually, soy lecithin. Soy lecithin is a very dangerous thing. It is a byproduct of soy oil. Soy is a GMO product.
Okay.
So it's a byproduct of soy oil, and it brings soy lecithin. And this same soy lecithin is added in chocolates and also other things. Like biscuits also contain soy lecithin.
Okay.
And this one causes dangerous problems like hormonal change, which make people transgenders and
So
all of
you are
that.
saying that transgenders is not natural thing, it's a manufactured thing, you are saying.
Yes, it is not natural at all.
And 1% is not natural even.
When a person is born as a particular gender, one must not change the gender and all. That is a wrong thing. It's bad. That,
Okay.
so these chocolates are a thing which make a
So
person.
you think people will buy it easily? Do you think so?
Yeah, they will. So it's better if they change. There's a herb called ashwagandha which makes the things right.
So you are saying that it can be reversed.
It can be reversed.
Till which stage it can be reversed? It can be reversed any stage, at any stage.
And then, yeah, but if too much of hormones and after surgery, it can't be reversed.
After surgery it cannot be. Okay. So you are saying that अश्वगंधा जो है उससे क्या मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या आप अश्वगंधा के बारे में जानना चाहें तो क्या मतलब कैसे हो सकता है?
Okay, and Shilajit also, there's one more thing. So it's a very easy herb to find. It's called Vithania somnifera.
Okay.
It's called Vithania somnifera, and you can find anywhere you like. And it has long leaf. It has milky leaves, and that one, if they take the roots of it, and Shilajit, another one, if they take that, then it is helpful. You can bring it back. But after surgery, it's impossible.
Okay. And also we are also open कि आप अपनी तरफ से टॉपिक सजेस्ट करें, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि ये टू वे कम्युनिकेशन हो, टू वे कन्वर्सेशन हो, बिकॉज आप काफ़ी नॉलेजेबल हैं, हमको खुद सीखना है उस आपसे, ठीक है? और
No. It's not like that.
No, it's like that. It is like that. And the point is, like आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से पता है, जहाँ तक कि हम समझ पा रहे हैं कि किस विषय में बात होनी चाहिए, क्या नीड ऑफ द आवर है.
अच्छा, हम लोग भी अगर आपको टॉपिक सजेस्ट करें,
You actually know more better than me. That's why you have really brought this truth out in your channel.
पहले आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. और जो भी लोग इस वीडियो को देखेंगे, आपके चैनल पे आएंगे, हम उनको प्रेफर करेंगे आपसे जरूर बात करें. और
दूसरी बात ये अभिज्ञा कि भाई ये तो हम नहीं गारंटी कर सकते कितने लोग देखेंगे, बट अपनी तरफ से वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट.
Okay, that's not any problem actually. At least if one person gets the truth, it's not that so many people should see and nobody should act on it. At least if one person gets the truth and just acts on it, then that will be a very great.
अच्छा, अभिज्ञा, आपका कोई YouTube चैनल है जिसको
YouTube channel I have. It's called Conscience. And also I have one more. Yeah, it's called Conscience.
शाम का कोई एक राग सुना दो आप.
री गा मा प ध सा नि द प म ग री स नि प द स मंदरोदारे मोक्ष मुरारे दैत्य कुलांतक पावन मुरुते पद शुभ रेख मकुट मयूर मंदरोदारे दैत्य कुलांतक पावन मुरुते पद शुभ रेख मकुट मयूर मंदरो.
वाह, तो शब्द कैफे का ये एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा।
अपने विचार हमें नीचे दिए गए कमेंट बॉक्स पर बता सकते हैं और आप हमें shabdcafe@gmail.com पर अपना ओपिनियन भेज सकते हैं। शब्द कैफ़े की और न्यूज़ को आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए शब्द कैफ़े को सब्सक्राइब करिए।
और हाँ, अगर आपके पास भी कोई विषय है जिस पे हम और आप चर्चा कर सकते हैं तो ज़रूर हमें shabdcafe@gmail.com पर लिखें। हो सकता है अगले एपिसोड में हम आपके साथ बात करें। शब्द कैफे से दोस्ती करने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इस चर्चा को अपने परिवार के लोगों, मित्रों और दोस्तों को शेयर करें। पर्दे के पीछे की खबरों के लिए ट्विटर पर शब्द कैफे को फॉलो करें। आप हमारी वेबसाइट shabdcafe.net पे जाकर लेटेस्ट बिहाइंड द कर्टन न्यूज़ जान सकते हैं। और हाँ, अपने मेल पर शब्द कैफे न्यूज़ को रोज़ पढ़ने के लिए हमारा ईमेल न्यूज़पेपर सब्सक्राइब करें जो कि बिल्कुल मुफ्त है। अब हमें आज्ञा दीजिए। जय हिंद।